welcome to our video on 10 simple tips for saving money. In today's video, we're going to be sharing some practical and easy to implement strategies that can help you save money without sacrificing too much of your lifestyle. Whether you're looking to save for a down payment on a house, pay off debt, or just build up your savings account, these tips will help you reach your goals faster. Tip number 1, make a budget and stick to it. The first step to saving money is to know where your money is going. Make a budget that includes all of your income and expenses, and then stick to it. When you know where your money is going, you can make better decisions about where to cut back. Tip number 2, cut back on unnecessary expenses. Take a look at your budget and see where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. This could be things like eating out less, canceling subscriptions you don't use, or cutting back on shopping. Every little bit helps, and you'll be surprised how much you can save by cutting back on just a few things. Tip number 3, use cash instead of credit. Using cash instead of credit can help you save money because it's harder to overspend when you're using cash. When you use credit, it's easy to lose track of how much you're spending, and before you know it, you're in over your head. Tip number 4, shop around for the best deals. Before you make a purchase, make sure you're getting the best deal. Shop around online and compare prices to make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck. Tip number 5, take advantage of discounts and coupons. Discounts and coupons can help you save money on everything from groceries to clothing. Make sure you're taking advantage of them whenever possible. Tip number 6, use a savings app. There are many savings apps available that can help you save money automatically. These apps can help you save small amounts of money each day or week, and you'll be surprised how quickly it adds up. Tip number 7, create a savings goal. Having a specific savings goal in mind can help you stay motivated to save money. Decide what you're saving for, and then set a deadline for when you want to reach that goal. Tip number 8, automate your savings. Automating your savings is one of the easiest ways to save money. You can set up automatic transfers to your savings account, so you don't have to think about it. Tip number 9, use a budgeting app. Budgeting apps can help you keep track of your spending and make sure you're sticking to your budget. They can also help you find ways to save money. Tip number 10, be mindful of your spending. Finally, be mindful of your spending. When you're aware of how much money you're spending, it's easier to make better decisions about where to cut back. Conclusion: saving money doesn't have to be hard. By following these simple tips, you can make saving money a part of your everyday life. Remember to make a budget, cut back on unnecessary expenses, use cash instead of credit, shop around for the best deals, take advantage of discounts and coupons, use a savings app, create a savings goal, automate your savings, use a budgeting app, and be mindful of your spending. Thanks for watching, and happy saving! Subscribe for more!